The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2 Verizon Prepaid. So this one recently came to Verizon Prepaid service. This is a rugged smartphone, so if you guys are looking to get a rugged smartphone, the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2 is it's worth taking a look at here. So this is a rugged phone, like I said. So if you guys want a rugged phone, this phone is worth checking out. This phone does have Sapphire Shield on this. It's pretty cool. So it has sapphire glass on it. So that's pretty nice there. It's available in black, has 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's $444 contract there. I think this phone came out sometime this year on Verizon Prepaid. So this one's not on Verizon Prepaid service. Specs on this phone are decent, I guess. They're just the phone that y'all guys have your piece right here. Everything came with your 16:9 screen. Okay, so you look at and speaker down here. So what's that? So yeah, so this does have a 16:9 screen. This left side thing, you guys have your writing keys. Then you press the top key, or it's probably a convenience key to where y'all guys can play and grab anything you want. Here's the back of the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2. What's that? Dual cameras, I think. Camera quality for Verizon right there. Back of the phone looks interesting, you know. On the right side of the phone, we have the power button right here. I think you have a camera shutter button right here, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so let's go to the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2. So as I say, the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2 Prepaid is the durable and dependable smartphone that works as hard as you do. Hold crisp, clear conversations using 4-mic noise cancellation technology and 106 dB dual front speakers. So this does have dual front speakers, so that's really nice. Stop photos even underwater with 13 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel front facing, and super wide view 4K camera. So you can do 4K videos on the back of the phone. I don't think you can do 4K in front of the phone, I don't think. In the phone, your device from scratches with the ultra tough Verizon exclusive Sapphire Shield display. So this has a Sapphire Shield display, so this is really like rugged as fuck. So if you drop it, the screen won't crack or nothing like that. It would have to take a lot of force for the screen to crack in the sun. So if you guys drop it, you guys will be fine. You guys can take pictures underwater. So that's pretty cool. I wonder if you can take videos underwater too. You probably can. The KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2 is dustproof, waterproof, and military grade protection standards. Probably spec 810G, I guess. It says unleash its full potential with consistency, fast speeds from Verizon, America's largest immersive 4G LTE network. So the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2 has 13 days of standby time, 31 hours of usage time, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, 2.89 inches in width, 5.91 inches in height there. So the DuraForce PRO 2 has military grade protection, so it's really nice to have, you know. Peace of mind, you know. Since the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2 is built to endure harsh conditions and environments. It's a non-sensitive Class 1 Div 2 device, certified to meet most spec 810G, like I said, standards for shock, extreme temperature, radiation, and more. So that's pretty cool. So it says it's Verizon exclusive Sapphire Shield display is exceptionally resilient against scratches and impact damage, and it should should you run into trouble, the DuraForce Pro 2 comes with a 2-year standard warranty already included. So that is nice to have. So this. So when you guys buy this phone, y'all guys get a 2-year warranty on it. So that's pretty nice to have. So if anything goes wrong, y'all guys get a 2-year warranty. So that's a win right there. I was all for inside that. So it says hard, hear and be heard, and avoid clear conversations while you're at a noisy construction site or walking down a crowded street. 4 mic noise cancellation helps keep loud and distracting noises from trying to your call, while 160 dB dual front speakers let you download the volume for calls, music, videos, and more. Your speakers are right here. This is your earpiece and speaking down here. So when you guys are on like speakerphone or watching videos, it sounds coming right at you, so that is really nice. A clearer picture of your British justice with a 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. Super wide view 4K recording lets you fit more into your pictures, whether you're taking photos at a work site or getting friends together for a group shot. The DuraForce Pro 2 is waterproof and dustproof, so you can access photos and videos, recording functions underwater, and using simple on-screen prompts and watertight side key letter. Advanced security features. Skip the complicated patterns and login codes with a dependable fingerprint sensor for quick one-handed biometric authentication. Using timely automatic updates, the KYOCERA keeps your smartphone safer with the latest security features. Power you can rely on. Keep your smartphone filled up for when you need it most. The DuraForce Pro 2 features a long-lasting 3240 mAh battery that can be filled up using a Q wireless charger. So that's pretty nice. So this has a wireless charging on it, and it's compatible with USB Type-C fast charging for a quick and convenient way to bring your power back up to full. So the DuraForce Pro 2 has wireless charging and fast charging, so that is nice to have both of those features. Personalize your access. Reach out to designated contacts with a simple press of a button using press to talk. Then set keyboard shortcuts for your camera and other device functions for a more tailored and seamless smartphone experience. So, this is a push to talk button right here. Where's it at? So you push the talk button. It's on the left side of the phone where the volume keys are. So you guys do have push to talk on there. So that's when you use that. It's there. So the KYOCERA DuraForce Pro 2 has a two-word device which y'all guys can use it in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. The DuraForce Pro 2 is 4G LTE Advanced, not 5G of course. Does not support 5G. Also with LTE Advanced, y'all guys get 50% faster peak speeds and more than 400 DCs from coast to coast. Standby time 13 days, usage time 31 hours. 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera. The width is 2.89 inches. The phone was 8.3 ounces. The height of the phone is 5.91 inches. 5-inch Sapphire Shield display. I'm gonna say it's 1080p display. I'm gonna say it's 1080. 3240 mAh battery. Android Oreo. 64 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM. Micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes. The processor is Snapdragon 630 octa-core processor, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN, AC, R, and K natural laser, dual-band Wi-Fi. If you guys need help with your DuraForce Pro 2, Verizon can help you out with that. Definitely has some Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, stuff like that. So device support can help you with that if you guys ever need help. Learn how to do something on the DuraForce Pro 2. Verizon's device support can help you. So check it out if you guys ever need help. So what you guys get in the box is the KYOCERA DuraForce Pro 2 prepaid smartphone, print-style SIM card, 3240mm battery, which is embedded in the phone, so you cannot remove the battery. Wall and USB charger. Quick reference guide and important consumer safety information there, and you have some download user manual if you guys want. Do you guys have the KYOCERA DuraForce Pro 2 now available at Verizon Prepaid for $444 make contracts, and this phone is rugged. This phone has it's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. You can have this in extreme temperatures. It is respect A10G. And this does have a Sapphire Shield display, so that's really nice. So the specs on this phone are pretty decent for what it is. It's just like a mid-range phone, you know, so it does have audio on it, so it's not too bad. It's not the newest phone out there. Of course, I think this phone came out this year on Verizon Prepaid, so it does have audio, probably 8.1, so it's not too bad, you know. It's about 2 versions behind now, so still not too bad, guys. So you know, KYOCERA is really not known for making flagship phones anyway. If they do, they're not that great. But this phone is, you know, not too bad. If you guys are looking for a rugged smartphone, the DuraForce Pro 2 is worth taking a look at here. The specs on this phone are pretty decent, not too bad. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have less mail, lots of peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.